Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a patent with LegalZoom detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the Intellectual Properties section. Select the option for Patent Services. Choose the Patent Transfer service. Review the information provided regarding patent transfers. Click on the Start My Patent Transfer button to begin the process. Enter your patent details, including the patent number and title. Provide information about the current patent owner. Input the name and address of the new patent owner. Complete the required fields regarding both parties. Upload any necessary documents that support the transfer. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Proceed to the Payments section to complete your order. After payment, you will receive confirmation of the transfer request. LegalZoom will prepare the necessary documents for the transfer. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application. Follow any additional instructions provided by LegalZoom. Once your patent transfer is successfully processed, you will receive the official documentation. Store the documentation safely for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.